everybody. This is Malia and Sophia. Today we're gonna be playing with Play-Doh. This is the only one that is not mixed, and it is also my favorite color. So let's begin. What do you want to use? Okay.
I'm using that one. Who used that one?
This one. This one has nothing in it. Okay. So it's a little mixed, but not that much. So I have no idea what I'm gonna make, but I'm gonna have some ideas in my brain. So maybe I'll make like an Easter egg, because last Sunday it was Easter and I went to church to do an Easter egg hunt. Or maybe I'll just make a round ball or a snowman. And what are you gonna make, Sophie?
I don't know. I might make a cake.
Okay.
Or a cupcake.
So this might be the snowman's head. And then I'm working on its body. Okay, I'm making a cupcake. Yeah, this does not look like a body. This is not going to be a very good snowman.
Why do you like cupcakes, Sophie? Do you usually make cupcakes with your Play-Doh?
Yes.
I'm going to make these a little more rounder. Then I might use some other Play-Doh to make the eyes, mouth, and nose, and the arms, and the scarf, the hat, and all of that. So this was actually my sister's idea of using the Play-Doh in the video, because first she wanted to use her American Girl dolls, then she wanted to do Play-Doh. And she wanted me to do it with her, because she's never done a video by herself. But I have. The one about Shopkins. I'm almost done. No.
What's the matter, Sophia?
Hey!
Okay.
Can I see what
do
you have there?
Want it to be this way
Oh, I like that.
or this way?
The
Maybe
other
this
way, yeah. And Sophia, what do you have going on? Let me see how your cupcake's turning out. Cool.
That's doing good, Sophie.
Some
So
wrapping
now,
paper, I guess.
do you have any more blue?
No, yeah.
Can I use some?
Yeah.
So I am making the arms right now.
See if this is black. Because some of them are getting mixed with the colored caps. Seriously.
I don't know what's wrong. So I am on the arms.
Arms.
Yeah, I'm on the arms.
Okay.
Sophie, do you know how to make the wrapping stuff, or the, oh no, it's red.
Okay.
Or the frosting?
We have 30 seconds, girls.
30.
No, well, you can just say we're moving on to the next video for the continuation.
For the,
But we have to make it today.
Yeah, I know.
so I am gonna do the eyes, and then
Okay,
we
just-
only have like 30 more seconds. So we're gonna make one that's continuing our Play-Doh today.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye, Sophie.
Say something.
Bye.